If you own a home in Aliso Viejo, listen up. I've got the latest numbers, and with these 4 charts, I'm going to show you what's happening to the value of your home. Let's jump right in and take a look at our first chart, which shows what's happening to the sale price to list price ratio. Sale price to list price ratio is just another way of saying what percentage of asking price are homes selling for. So if a home is priced at $1 million and sells for $1 million, the ratio is 100%. As you can see, the ratio has steadily marched uphill, and it peaked at 108% last spring, which means that on average, homes were selling for 8% over asking. But then the Fed started raising rates, and as rates went up, a whole lot of buyers left the building. With fewer buyers, there were fewer bidding wars, and the ratio fell. It fell all the way through the end of 2022, but look what's happened since. It's going back up and actually crossed the 100% line again last month, which means bidding wars are back. So with higher rates and fewer buyers, you may be asking, how are we seeing bidding wars again, especially when demand is down? And don't get me wrong, demand, as in closed transactions, is way down. Take a look. Last month, 28 homes sold in Aliso Viejo, as opposed to 61 a year ago and 72 years ago. That means demand is down by more than 50% from last year alone. But the drop in sale only tells part of the story. Let's take a look at what's happening to the supply of homes. Last month, 34 new homes came on the market in Aliso Viejo. 34! That's 60% of what it was a year ago. So simply put, we lost a lot of buyers when rates went up, but we lost even more sellers, which means, once again, demand is greater than supply. And if you remember back to Econ 101, when demand is greater than supply, prices go up. And our last chart shows just that. Here you can see the dollar per square foot in Aliso Viejo. It peaked a year ago at $660 a square foot. And again, you can see that when rates went up, we lost a lot of buyers and home prices adjusted downward, eventually ending at $560 per square foot. But those price reductions dried up toward the end of 2022 and actually began reversing direction this year. At the end of April, dollar per square foot was heading towards $630 per square foot, replacing more than half of the value that was lost during the second half of 2022. So, your Aliso Viejo market update in a nutshell: demand is down, but supply is down even further, which means prices and bidding war are on the rise again. As you've seen, the market is always changing, making it important to stay informed so you can make the best decisions when buying or selling a home. So if you're considering either a purchase or sale, contact me for the latest updates and insights, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive up-to-date real estate news and market trends.